I'm going to briefly go over how to remove a rear CV axle on the Subaru.
This is for you.
With the wheels still on the car, you'll take off the center cap, then you'll see this 32mm nut, which will be right here. You would break it. It's easier to do it with the wheel on the car because this thing won't rotate. So once you have that off, you'll you'll jack the car up, then you'll take these lugs out, and then after, there is this bolt going through right here. It went through here, through the knuckle, and then all the way to the other side. This is a 19mm end. You'll take your 19mm socket, so you'll loosen this side while holding it on the other side with an adjustable wrench, or in my case I have this crescent wrench. So got that off, you'll pull this out, and then this whole thing just comes off, and then you can take the CV axle out, this piece right here. So this end is loose on the other side. On the other end, you'll just take your pry bar and then forcefully pop it off, and there it goes. So then we'll just remove it. We'll push that in and then remove it out. It's a bit difficult to do with one hand, but essentially I just pulled this out while pushing that in, then this came off, and this whole thing should just slide right out like that. And then here, the top are the two old ones and the bottom is the new one. I already got the driver's side in. I'm just going to put this in and reverse that process.
Actually, so when you turn your wheel, is how much
This is